Here's how to fix a stuck iPhone screen. Now, what we're going to do, and what almost always fixes it, is a force restart on your iPhone. You can see to do a force restart, this is essentially on the Apple support page. It says you're going to press and quickly release the volume up, and then press and quickly release the volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the Apple logo appear. So I'll walk you through those steps, but let me stop this screen recording real quick. And again, you're going to press the volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. You'll be able to see it says slide to turn off, but you do not want to do that because that will just shut it down. Normally, you want to force restart it. So keep holding until it goes permanently black like that, and then the Apple logo appears. At that point, when the white Apple logo appears, you can remove your finger and it will go through the process of rebooting your phone. So essentially, if there's a bug or glitch or the screen's not working or something like that, you can always force shut down your iPhone and then force reboot it. By going through this process, it will restart here. You'll be able to see in a few seconds. There we go. It is force restart. And then I can just unlock it with my passcode, and then it should be working at that point. The phone screen should not be frozen or stuck anymore. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys.